The question I've been asked is, does the direction that I cut a piece of thin pneumatic cloth, whether I cut it this way or whether I cut it this way, does it make any difference in terms of longevity? And the answer is yes. All cotton-backed pneumatic cloth, and especially the thin cloth, has a noticeable bias. You could try it with any piece of cotton cloth, where you find that the cloth will stretch easily in one direction and it doesn't stretch easily in the other direction. And I'll show you here with this piece of cloth. Watch my hands. I'm stretching, I'm pulling pretty hard. And you can see that although my hands are moving, they're moving very little. And then we'll take it this way. Same cross-sectional area, same size, and you notice, you can see my hands, they're visibly moving, okay, because the cloth is stretching. So it stretches in one direction, it doesn't stretch in the other. The question I've been asked is, does the direction that I cut the cloth make any difference in terms of longevity? In other words, if I cut the strips along this direction, or if I cut the strips along this direction, does it make any difference? All cotton-backed pneumatic cloth, and especially thin cloth, thin pneumatic cloth, has what's known as a bias. All cotton cloth does. And what you notice is that when you pull on it in one direction, I'm going to watch my hands, you'll see that my hands are not moving very much at all. Moving a little bit, but not very much. If I take the same cross-sectional area and stretch it this way, turning at 90 degrees, you can see my hands are moving a lot. That's because the cloth is stretching. But what is it stretching? It's stretching the rubber. Okay? The rubber is stretching. So, if I cut the strips in this direction along the non-stretchy side, that means that the working area in the non-stretchy side, that's what's going to go around the bellow. Okay? If I cut it along the non-stretchy side, which is going to go around the bellow, that means that the working area is going to stretch. Whereas if I cut it along the stretchy side, this is the stretchy side, if I cut the strip along the stretchy side, the stretchy direction, then the rubber is not going to stretch as the bellow is being used. And it is that constant stretching and relaxing of the rubber that will cause the rubber to wear out prematurely. So yes, it does make a difference which direction you cut the cloth in terms of longevity.